What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Autumn M, and I'm here because why am I here? Oh my God. Can we redo that? What is up, YouTube? No, that's too much. That's too much energy. Okay, ready. Hey YouTube, it's your girl Autumn M, and I'm here to give you a pattern beauty review and also implementing it in my wash and go routine. Alright, so I want to talk to you guys about this product, Pattern Beauty. And it's actually founded by Tracee Ellis Ross, aka everyone's favorite auntie on the low. And it's only sold exclusively at Ulta. And the price points, they vary. You know, I got the little $9 sample set because I was like, I want to try it first before I actually go ahead and implement it into my daily routine. Because if y'all know, I be curly in and out. I got like stuff. Like I got products for days. Like that's how my curl life is. It's really just buying a bunch of products and trying them out. But I find that to be difficult. Before I was using Carol's Daughter line. I praise it, love it, you know what I mean? But I wanted to try something where I was like, okay, I'm tired of using like several products just to get the same like type of look. And so I went ahead and was like, let me take the plunge. Let me try this. Everyone's praising it. Everyone's shading it. I want to see for myself because that's the type of person I am. I like to go by my rules. All right, so for y'all don't know, my hair is still semi-wet. I did the whole little, implement, put some in it, everything like that. I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit more in it. Now this one is the heavy conditioner for coilies. I wanted to do the heavy because the medium ones I feel is hard. As you can see, I ain't even like trying to be rude, but it's hard to even come out this little package. Like, yo, you gotta squeeze just to get it out. And when it comes out, it's like hecka, I don't know if y'all can get this, but it's like really, that's much what comes out of it. That's what agitates me about this. It's like, I'm used to products like, okay, it comes out. Like, I don't gotta do all this extra stuff. Like, I'm out here squeezing ketchup out the bottle. And, okay, we get somewhere. We got somewhere. All right, let me work it in. Now, I'm gonna do a little bit. I'm gonna leave some of this in. I know people are like, oh, why do you do that? I like to leave some conditioner in my hair for the day. Because, honestly, like my hair gets dry throughout the day and I don't have my spray bottles and stuff like that with me, so I do a little extra love. I know there's leave-in conditioners and such and sorts, but I do not like leave-in conditioners. I feel like you should definitely just leave some of that conditioner in, okay? That's how I feel. But the heavy, it works. As you see, I'm working through it. I do see some spots where I'm like, I gotta work a little bit more. That's also another con about this product is like you have to continuously work it in. It's heavy and creamy, so you may have to just like go ham. Right now I'm just trying to be delicate so you guys can see exactly the transition of me working it in. Alright, okay. Alright. And I did comb it in the shower with their Pattern Beauty brush. So it was a really great brush. I do love it. I'm sorry, my hand's a little wet there. I do love this brush that it comes with. It's the Pattern Beauty brush. And so with that, I'm able to just like manage my hair in the shower a lot easier. Like it does not snag. The bristles are actually really great. They're strong bristles. They actually target like the knots and the tangles like a little bit more faster. This was the brush I was using. Your mama's favorite brush for curls and such. Con Air. As you can see the bristles. Ooh, even that sound ain't even cute. But this, sexy. So yes, so I'm actually putting this one aside because I got this brush. Now this brush was $17 and I'm not gonna lie, I'm like, oh my god, $17 for a brush. But then when you think about hair maintenance for curly hair, you have to really like, I would say like have a routine and have to be very strict about your maintenance for your hair because our hairs literally cannot throughout the day. Like I will literally do a whole hour combing session, conditioners and creams and all that in between. and then it still get knotted. But when I started using this one, it's been about a week now, my hair actually doesn't get knotted throughout the day, and I'm not trying to hype it up, but I really do like this brush, and it's really convenient. It's sleek, so it definitely can fit into your carry-ons or into your bags if you just want to do a quick, you don't do it like that, like when you at work and getting ready to on the go, because hold up, curly sis know that life. We gotta prepare for everything no matter what. And since my hair is a little wet, I want to let it air dry, but since we're doing a video, we're gonna use a cotton t-shirt. I don't like using those hair towels because they leave little fuzzies in my hair. Never been a fan of terry cloth like hair towels. It's not my hair type. It's not for me. My hair, you know, definitely like prefers cotton. Every time I use like an old cotton tee, my hair never, you know, has little like cotton or little like lint balls in them. So, and I'm sectioning off to dry. I do thick sections. That's just me. If you want to do smaller sections like this, feel free, but don't just dry it like that. That's how you create like more tangles and like more gnats and knots in your hair. So definitely section dry your hair. That's like my go-to advice when you're drying your hair. And the back of your hair is always a little bit more wet. I don't know if y'all can see, but so I'm gonna just get in the back of my hair, lift the hair up, like pat dry, you know, over there in the nape of it. All right, fluff this bad boy up. Whew, I can't see what I look like, so you know. All right, y'all see that? Now, how I like to do my wash and go and style and everything, I just really like to wear it like this. I like it, you know, that little side part. Everybody's like, I have a signature. That's just me. I love my hair right here. Feels very 90s and sexy. To finish it off, I'm going to do some hair milk from Carol's Daughter. I do love their refresher spray. So the hair milk is for curls, coils, kinks, and waves, and it's supposed to moisturize and improve like your whole softness and prevents frizz. So I do like it. Let me make sure it's on, because I have two of these bad boys. There it goes. Haha, it's on. Alright, so what I do is just get it in there, you know. Make sure your hair is nice and a little moist, and you just let this dry in. It's supposed to be hair milk, so it's supposed to be nice and a little moist. Alright, I think we covered everything. Get the center here. Alright, so what we're going to do is work it in. Boop, 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 boop. I make noises when I do stuff. That's just me. Alright, so it's all worked in. I want to see the final product. I need a mirror. I'm going to just use my iPhone camera. Sorry, y'all. Snap. Alright, y'all, so that is honestly my wash and go routine. It wasn't that hard. Oh, I took a picture. It wasn't that hard, and actually it's really great. So my overall review of Pattern Beauty, I do love it. It has made my wash and go routine just like a whole like 10 minutes less than what I usually do. This little product is actually really great. It's better than the curl creams and the custards and the whole souffles and hair puddings and joints that I have. You did see that it is hard for it to come out this little package, but it's convenient. And will I buy the full size line? Like, probably, but I would definitely, for my hair texture, do the heavy. I don't know how it is within the other hair textures per se, like the 4Cs and everything of that sort, because I am using the heaviest amount. So I wonder if it still works the same for other hair types, because I think I'm in, I don't subscribe to the chart, but it's like a 4A or something like that. Somebody told me. So, but if you know my hair texture just from looking at this, please let me know, because I want to know too. But I have days. So I'm like a 4A, 4B. That's what a stylist told me. Anyways, you can pick this up at Ulta. It is really good. Try the $9 sample. Please don't buy the full product line yet. Give yourself time to work in your, work it in your routine. I gave it about a week and a half now, and I love the results that I see. My hair has been a lot softer, a lot healthier, a lot more manageable, especially in the shower. It's easier to just comb out and go. Invest in the brush. I'm not hyping this up. Invest in the brush, but when you're brushing your hair, make sure your hair is nice and moist and has the conditioner and set, so when you're brushing it, it's like smooth and butter. It's not you biting the apple. So get the brush, try it out, Thank you guys. And that's it. Well, y'all, if y'all like this video, y'all want to see more, hit that subscribe button. But if you want to follow me outside of YouTube, which you should because I'm pretty dope on the low, at ITS Autumn M, and then you can follow my brand, The Queen Sessions, and we're gonna be there. We're gonna be popping. Look forward to doing more reviews with y'all and a little bit more of my routines when it comes to being a curly girl. All right, YouTube, much love, peace, bye.